hello, I have that big 3X short, men short, and I have small top like this, and the zipper in the back, and I want to make dress with that. So I'm going to cut the short. I'm gonna cut here. We have that. Then I'm going to cut this one and the sleeves and that side too. Then I'm going to change the buttons. So I cut the buttons and I replace him with bigger buttons like this. Like this. And I'm going to cut some bias like this and sew here in the middle. I make double and I'm going to put that here like this. Gonna make Lego flooring here. So then I'm going to sew here. Then I'm going to make some decoration on the packet with the small lace, small little flowers. And we put the buttons here like this. Then I'm going to make some shirring here, and I sew that together. I cut here a little bit, like half an inch here from the bottom. I open that. Then I'm gonna sew that here on that edge here. Gonna sew that here. Then maybe I gonna put something like this here, some little flowers, like a lace, all the way in the back, all the way to the back. Then I decide to decorate the skirt a little bit, so I gonna put, I have that beautiful Chinese or Japanese, so I'm going to put that maybe like this, and that beautiful lace, maybe something like this, make a little decoration. And I'm going to sew everything in the circle. Maybe that I gonna sew inside a little bit just to keep them solid. And after, maybe I have some lace here, cotton embroideries. Maybe I put little florins here. I sew here the back. I sew it. See, I sew here half an inch. I'm gonna do the overlock, and that's gonna be the dress. I'm gonna sew that here, like this. Gonna make little fluids here. Like this. And that's gonna be the dress. If the dress is ready, then I'm gonna show you how it looks. And that's gonna be the buttons here. Then I have that cotton embroidery. I'm going to press him, and maybe I'm going to put him here like a little fluence with a nice finishing. But maybe I make him smaller. Like this. So maybe I gonna do that. And that dress is gonna be ready. So I'm going in the machine, put everything together, and I show the dress after how it look. It's gonna be beautiful. I don't need to show my thing. All the things that I going to put this is the nice Chinese, Japanese, geisha, nice, and something like this, beautiful. And small little laces like this. That's everything we go on the dress. And some little buttons. And that's gonna be the dress.